Well, if you love skincare, this next subscription box is definitely one I want you to check out. It's one of my favorite boxes to receive, but it is primarily going to be a skincare subscription. So this is coming from Dermstore, and this is their monthly BeautyFix. So today we're going to do an unboxing of their latest box, but we're also going to talk about their summer sale because holy bananas, you guys, there are some really great discounts on their website right now. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel as always. Today, like I said, we are going to do an unboxing, but before I get into it, I just wanted to make sure that everyone saw the deals that are going on over at Dermstore. So Dermstore is an online retailer and they started out having mostly skincare brands on there, but now they've expanded and they have all sorts of beauty products and all sorts of beauty brands. Dermstore has their summer sale going on, and there's only 3 days left of this sale. So the sale goes until May 26th, and you can go online, shop all of your normal brands. So I was thinking if you, like in your normal routine, if there are products you love that you always use and you know you'll use them, this might be a great time to save money and stock up for it. That way you've got it on hand. So I'm going to be posting a link down below for the entire website for Dermstore. My discount code that I have works on nearly everything at Dermstore. There's a few brands it doesn't cover, but I'm also going to post that code down below and just you guys can try it. Sometimes it will stack with the existing deals. Sometimes it will match the existing deals. But I figured I might as well put it down there and just let you try it and see if it works or not. Because, I mean, heck, if you can save a couple more dollars with it, you might as well. But the other part that is super exciting is they marked down all of their bundles and kits by 25% off. And then I went in and I tried it out. I put my code in there and it takes an extra 1% off. Now, I know you might be laughing a little bit like, well, Sydney, it's only 1%. And I know it's not a lot, but it is a little something extra. It's a couple dollars off of it. So if you wanted to get any of those exclusive bundles where there's multiple items and they're not a subscription, it's just a limited edition kit that they created. There's several items in there, great brands. You can get 26% off for the next 3 days if you shop right now and you apply my discount code at checkout. So I'm just going to throw that out there. You guys go check it out. But when I was looking online, I was like, there's some really great offers. So now we're going to get back to my regular programming. This is the BeautyFix box presented by Dermstore. So Dermstore, like I said, has all of these different brands that they carry on their website. And then every month they're going to select between those brands different products to put in their subscription box. And then you'll receive this box each month with different products to try out. So I feel like this is a great box, even if you're new to skincare, if you're not really sure where to start, this will introduce you to a lot of different items at a relatively low price point. So that way you can try different things without having to spend full prices and you'll learn what works for you or what doesn't. But it's also great if you just love skincare as it is, still a really great deal here. Now this is the May 2025 box that I'm going to share with you guys. This box is currently shipping in the month of May. It's still available. If you order in the month of May, you will get this exact same box that I'm going to share with you today. So that's the only contingency is you have to order in the month of May. Ooh, and holy bananas, I would order in the month of May. Just looking at this, I mean, just doing a quick sweep, you guys, I can already tell you this is gonna be a good box. I mean, there are 7 items inside of this box, you guys, and I only spend about $20 a month on it. So 7 items for 20 bucks, like that's a great deal. Now let me clarify, technically this subscription does not cost $20 a month. But because I prepay ahead for my subscription, it breaks down to that. So I'm going to let you guys know the secret. This is how you get the best deal with this subscription. So I'm going to post a link down below for the box. And if you click on the link, it will show you that you can pay month to month with this subscription if you want to. But you can also click on a little title that says pay up front, and it will give you 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month plans. If you go with a 3-month plan, not only do they waive the shipping fee on all of your boxes, they also will allow you to apply my discount code and save 15% off of that entire plan. So you're able to get 3 months of boxes with free shipping and you save the 15% off. It comes out to about $60 up front is what you're paying. And then breaking that down by your 3 months works out to about $20 a box. So it's a much better deal to pay ahead and do more boxes versus paying month to month, because then you have to pay the shipping fee and that just negates the discount then. So that's my advice. Just lock in at that 3 month, 6 or 12 month plan. And if you do 6 or 12, you'll get it even cheaper than I do. So first item that we're going to talk about is Medicaid. This is the Lipid Vitamin C Radiant Serum. This is full size too. So 1 ounce or 30 ml, excellent brand here. This already just paid for my box. I already know it. I'll look up the price tag to verify, but I just know this brand and I guarantee you this paid for the entire box already. This is supposed to brighten up your skin, but it's going to have a vitamin C complex with this formula. So it's a lightweight serum that will leave your skin looking brighter and refreshed, but they recommend that you use this morning and night. And of course you do want to apply sunscreen on. There's a sunscreen alert on here only because it will cause your skin to burn a little bit faster if you get too much sun. So just make sure if you apply this product, you follow up with a sunscreen afterwards. But the goal is to make your skin brighter and more radiant. $49 is what this serum retails for on the Dermstore website. So you can buy it for $49 if you want to, or you get the entire box for $20. The next item included in our box is from Briogeo. This is a hair care product. Now this product is designed to cut down on frizz. It is their Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. So this one is full size. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and also gluten-free. So this cream, it's gonna feel kind of like a lotion formula that you're gonna put through your hair. Typically, you apply this when it's damp. Let me just double check here. It says it's infused with rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. It will smooth your hair and enhance shine and protect it up to 450 degrees from heat. So you just want to apply it to damp hair evenly all the way from top to bottom. And then you're going to blow dry your hair and style it as you normally would. So that heat protectant then will kick in right away. What's nice about these creams is they are lightweight, and because they dry in, you don't feel them later on throughout the day. So your hair is not going to be sticky or anything like that, but it does cut down on frizz. And especially if you have a lot of humidity in your area, that's an easy way to get rid of like that really frizzy hair. But this is also full size. I mean, 4 ounces. So to buy this one, it's $26. So this also just paid for your box, by the way, but $26 to purchase this on their website. So 2 full-size products already in our box this month. Dermstore doesn't technically say how many full-size products you'll get every month. They don't make any guarantees, but the more full-size products I get, the more excited I get, so I will take it. The next item that we have in here is from Verso. This is their clarifying gel. This also has retinol inside of it. So this is number 6. I always love that Verso numbers through order of all of their skincare products. Wouldn't that be nice? Because then you know which order to put them in. I just did this the other day that I was wanting to try a new skincare product and I'm Googling it and I'm like, okay, do I put this on before my serum or after my serum? And it would just be nice if everything was numbered. But this one is a clarifying gel. And then like I mentioned, it does have retinol inside of it. So this is 30 ml or 1 ounce of product. This product though will help to balance out your skin, reduce the appearance of blemishes, fine lines, and it's also going to even out your skin's tone. So this will work against future breakouts. It's going to diminish the look of redness. If you have any blemishes or like dark spots, it will in time even that out to give you the same texture and color all the way across your face. So it does mention that it is a spot treatment and that you can put it wherever you need to apply it at. So it's not one that you put all over. You're just going to pick where those spots are at or where that redness is. Now here's a crazy thing. This is the most expensive item inside of our box today, and it is full size. So this product comes in at $80 for it. I didn't realize this was so expensive. I mean, if you had to ask me, I would have said Medicaid because Medicaid is an expensive brand, but Verso, oh my gosh, $80 for this. But we're not done yet. There are still more products in here. Our next item is coming from Vichy. This is their HA serum. We have 10 mils, so this one will be travel size that we have here. This will reduce the look of wrinkles, and it's going to also plump your skin up. So this serum is paraben-free, it's fragrance-free. There's no alcohol, mineral oil, silicone in here, or any colorants either. Actually, I'm kind of impressed at how large this sample is, being 10 mil. This brand, I have tried Vichy's products over the years, and it is a really great brand, very expensive, but they tend to be very stingy with their samples. Whenever they send out products for people to try, they're little tiny vials. They just don't give a lot. So this, I mean, honestly, you guys, this is huge for them. So I appreciate how much product we got. It's not full size, but it still retails for $16 if you were to purchase it. So they mention in here that this is 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid. So that way it's going to be an intense, it's a higher concentrated amount. That way it will really attack those wrinkles and smooth that out and kind of fill the wrinkle in as well. So the idea is to take down the look of any wrinkles. Again, it's going to be a spot treatment that you would put it just wherever you have those wrinkles at. You wouldn't put that all over your face. But we also have a cleanser in our box this month. This one is from Roche Posay. This is a really nice cleanser. Now this one is just a sample size that we have here, but great cleanser, safe for everyone's skin, which is why I love it. 15 mil or half an ounce is what we've got here. But this one is their hydrating gentle cleanser. And I do feel like it's really gentle. It doesn't strip your skin. It's very soft. Really like that cleanser. And then to go along with it, it's kind of nice. You get a moisturizer as well. So we have from Peter Thomas Roth, this is their Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. So this one also a sample size, which is very typical for this brand. Again, they're another one that's kind of stingy when it comes to sending out samples to try. But 7.5 mil. This one, it is a really nice moisturizer, very soft. Again, I feel like it works with everyone's skin. So it's just, it makes my skin very smooth after using it. So those two products together, they're gonna work really well together. They're Sydney endorsed. Basically, that's what I'm saying. Now the last item, if our samples couldn't get smaller, it just got smaller. But this is the last item in our box today. And this one is the Yona Paris. Do I know this brand? I think it's Yona. This is their Age Defense Hydra Mask. We have 5 mil. Gosh, it's kind of like the size that Barbie would use. Like, it's that small. I don't even know this brand. I'm gonna look it up here. Yeah, Yona Paris. This is worth $10 actually. This small little sample is worth $10. It says this mask will soften, firm, and rejuvenate dull, wrinkled, and dry skin. There are rose flower extracts inside of this. There's also sandalwood and salicylic acid. These will help to soothe inflammation. It's also going to loosen dry and flaky skin to reveal softer, brighter skin underneath. Okay, so I guess this is an all-in-one mask. It will hydrate, but also repair your skin. So I'm not familiar with this product. I've never tried it. I don't know the brand. So I can't give you any reviews or thoughts on this one, but I would assume if it's in the BeautyFix box, it's probably a good product. So that is everything inside of the BeautyFix box for May. This is a great month, you guys. I mean, honestly, let me show you, I'll give you a quick recap here. That way you can see everything that you're getting for this box. But like I said, if you sign up with my link and code, you can get it as low as $20 for it. So you're gonna get a full-size Briogeo hair care product that already pays for the box. You're also getting the Medicaid product, which is full-size, and this also pays for your box. Then you're gonna get a third full-size product in here from Verso, which turns out Verso here could pay for it like 3 times over. Who knew it was so expensive? We additionally are going to have a cleanser, which I think is really good. Great all-in-all cleanser. There's an awesome moisturizer in here as well from Peter Thomas Roth. And then last up, oh no, excuse me, we got 2 more items. See, I was jumping the gun. You're also going to get the Vichy Wrinkle Serum so you can target those wrinkles. Let's go right up here. See, I'm running out of room even in this. And then this was our last up, our little guy over here, that will be that all-in-one mask. So all of this, you guys, for 20 bucks? I mean, come on, that is a steal. So So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of the May box? I love it. I mean, this one's really good. Strictly on numbers and value, it's amazing. But I also like the fact that you get tried and true brands with BeautyFix. Every month, these are brands that have been around for a while that have had these products that are tested. You know what I mean? Like, they're not new to launch and they're not trying to work out any kinks. These are products that I know work, that have been around for quite a while. So I like that too, that you're getting really solid skincare products in their box. So if you guys want to try it out, like I said, I've got a link down below and that discount code. But then don't forget, they've also got their summer sale going on. So you can look online, do some add-on shopping, save some money on your products that you use all the time. It's just a great time to take a look. But that sale is only valid until May 26th. So I've got all the details down below. You guys can go shopping and check it all out. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!